how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to send any amount of crypto from Coinbase to a different or to another wallet. First is you can go ahead and pull up Coinbase official site using an extension or via the mobile application. Next thing you want to do, of course, log in into your Coinbase account. Now from there, you should be able to see options. What you want to have to choose is just the send option. Now from send option, you will be asked what specific crypto you would like it to be sent in. Just simply choose on Bitcoin. Now from there, just simply input the specific amount of Bitcoin that you would like to be sent. And then of course, don't forget to input the wallet address of the recipient. Now on this page, you can also try to change the platform type right here. Just simply switch it into BTC or Bitcoin and choose on send now. Now, once you've successfully sent it, you will receive this kind of notification that um, this will be your tracker or the status of the transaction that you did. And that is how you send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet.